Oh, welcome to another recipe of the Ben Impact. Once again, here together in our kitchen and doing another fantastic breakfast recipe. I really love breakfast and it's my favorite meal of the day. Today, we're gonna do a protein-packed French toast. Now, I was trying to look at the history of the French toast and I was able to find that there was a ancient Roman Empire recipe that was called pan dulcis, and from the Latin, and that is insane because it was a mixture of egg, bread, and roasted in fat, and that resembles a lot our modern French toast. But the real name of the French toast came about in the 18th century when an innkeeper his last name was French, so he tried to make this recipe and he called it French's with the S, like possessive, and then toast. However, for a grammatical error they dropped the S and they called it French toast. But let's get to our recipe here. What do we have? So I wanted to make this recipe with as much protein as I could with a lower content of carbohydrates. So my choice went on the egg whites. Egg whites are packed with a lot of protein, and for my choice of bread I went for a keto bread which has a lower carbohydrate content. Carbs are good, there's nothing wrong with carbs, as long as you guys, it's the dose that makes the difference here, so how much you eat in the end. There's nothing wrong with protein, carbohydrates, or fat. They're all good as long as you have a balanced measure of it and they're appropriate for your lifestyle and your activities. So let's get back to the bread. This keto bread here, I found it at Aldi. I think it's fantastic and it would be a great addition for our recipe. We're gonna have milk, egg white, 1 scoop of protein powder. It's very versatile. You can use it in different recipes to add extra protein and some extra sweetness. Then we're gonna have some vanilla extract and we're gonna have some maple syrup and we're gonna add some berries in the end. And we're gonna add some cinnamon ground, okay? Because I forgot to mention that. So it's very simple. We're gonna add all the wet ingredients first, liquids. So I'm gonna put the milk, we're gonna put the egg whites, we're gonna put a hint of vanilla extract for flavor, and our cinnamon, and ultimately our protein powder. We're gonna take a whisk and we're gonna mix all the ingredients together. Just make sure the protein powder doesn't leave any lumps, okay? Okay, this looks good. Before you guys start with the ingredients, it would be a better idea if you put a pan on the stove and you put it to medium heat so it will start warming up. So we're gonna use also some avocado oil to spray our pan. Avocado oil is really healthy and it's a high heat, 500 degrees melt point oil. So if you need to roast anything, use oil in a pan, this will be your choice. And it's healthy as well. So next, what we're gonna do is very simple. We're gonna take our bread, 1 slice at a time. We're gonna make sure that they are soaked, and we're gonna place them in our pan and we're gonna cook them for 2 or 3 minutes on each side, and then we're gonna flip them. Well, in the meantime this is cooking, why don't we go and crack a few pull-ups? And voila! Our French toast are done. We just need to pour a little bit here of our maple syrup and they will be ready to go. Now, there's 2 portions for this recipe. If you have a loved one, a family member, a brother, a sister, make this recipe or go make them a surprise and say, hey, I made this for you. This will make their day and yours. Just doing something nice is gonna be great. It make you feel better and you will make other people love you and do good things for you. Who knows? So for our macronutrients, we're gonna have 5 grams of fat, 22 grams of carbohydrates, and 40 grams of protein. These are 2 servings. This is gonna be for each servings. And our total amount of calories is gonna be 289 calories. It's really like very low calorie, nutritious, packed with nutrients, and it's a great source and a great way to start your day. This concludes our video, and if you find value in what we do in our recipe and in our videos, make sure to comment, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
We don't need to see each other to know that we're